Welcome to another installation and setup guide by Grid Connect. Today we'll be installing the Gainsborough Smart Touch lever lock. First, use the provided guide to make sure that your door meets the standard installation requirements. The latch can be adjusted to suit either a 60 or 70mm back set. The shorter position will suit most doors, but it's adjustable just in case. Screw the latch into your door with the screws provided. The beveled edge should face inwards to retract automatically. Give your door a quick measure before the next step. For a 32 to 40mm door thickness, use the spindle packet labelled A. For a 41 to 50mm door thickness, use the packet labelled B. Fit the two screw standoffs into the back of the front panel. For the back panel, remove the small rubber covering and use the provided hex tool to unscrew the battery cover. The hex screw should remain in the housing. Slot the front panel into the latch, carefully threading the cables through as you do. Hold the lever in place for the next step. From the inside of your door, install the exit lever. The cable should pass through the battery compartment. Make sure everything lines up nicely and it should slot neatly into place. Use the provided screws to secure the exit lever to the front panel standoffs. Connect the power cable into the port. This part is a little tricky, but it should click easily into place, so be careful not to force it. Install the 4 AAA batteries and replace the back cover. Secure the panel using the hex tool and replace the rubber cover. Your lock comes with 2 optional covers that can be used to conceal the screws on the exit lever. In the Grid Connect app, select the plus icon from the home screen. Switch to auto scan. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. If you see the lock appear, choose Next and follow the prompts. From this screen you can control and manage your smart lock. To add a fingerprint, select Users at the bottom of the screen. Then select the user you wish to give access to. Select the fingerprint option and follow the prompts. Your Gainsborough Grid Connect Smart Lock is now set up and ready to go.